So 7 more days until we move to Alaska. Everything's going absolutely great. I mean, the cars are not dying. The batteries are still battering. I'm not late for any appointment to, go be at my storage unit for the movers to be able to move our stuff. Everything's good. It's not like it's not like our schedule is so jam packed that every minute counts. Definitely isn't. PCSing is great. Great. I mean, it's smooth, it's flawless, it's fun. Watching people pack up 4/5 of your life is completely stress free. Getting home and realizing that you need 2/3 of the things that are packed up is all right. Being late when you don't have time to be late because your battery's dead. Yeah, all that was satire, and I just need a break. I just needed a break. But you know what? If Jesus won't get you out of it, he'll walk you through it. So I'm going to be A-okay. Guess what? My boost is here. Oh. Oh, life.